Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss extract elevation, DEM and contour. If you want to extract your elevation, digital elevation model and contour of any area, so it is very important. So please see this video at end, like, share and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new video. So let we start. We first open Google Earth. Here is Google Earth. After Google Earth we go to add path and we write here our area name. We write here Mount Everest. After it you choose color as per your requirement. We select here red and OK, and width as per your requirement. After it, beside it and draw a line as per your requirement. We draw for elevation purpose, so we draw this type of line need to our elevation. And we end it. After it, OK, and we right click and save this place. We save our folder and OK. After it we go to browser for conversion. We write here GPS visualizer. We click here GPS visualizer. Here is GPS visualizer. We go to look up elevation. We upload our file. We select file and OK. We convert and add elevation. Click here. Our file is converted. You see here download. We click download. Our file downloaded. We go to download folder. We copy it and paste to our folder. We paste it. After it we go to arc map and go to arc toolbox, go to conversion, GPX to feature, double click and we select here input file. We select input file and OK. Here is our output. We open attribute and see here elevation. Here is elevation. After it we go to arc toolbox, 3D analysis, raster interpolation, IDW. We select here our input file and we select here Z value, elevation and OK. Here is our output. We write here DEM digital elevation model. Our file name DEM digital elevation model. We go to property and we go to symbology and we select here cases 6 and color ramp as per your requirement. Apply and OK. And if you want to change color ramp, you go to property and select here color ramp. And if you want to show elevation, we click here, apply and OK. Here is elevation. For contour we go to our toolbox and special analysis tool, surface contour. We select here input raster and we select here contour interval as per your requirement. We write here 20 and OK. Here is our contour. Here is contour. We right click and open attribute. Here is contour and we open level, go to property and go to level, click here level and select here level field, contour and size, color, apply and OK. See here your contour and contour number. We have successfully created contour, elevation and level. Thank you for watching video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.